5 benefits of eating papaya fruits. 1. Papaya is rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels and preventing oxidation of cholesterol. 2. Papaya contains enzymes like papain and chymopapine that aid in digestion and reduce inflammation. 3. Papaya is high in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. 4. Some compounds in papaya may have anti-cancer properties, such as lycopene and vitamin C. 4. Papaya can help improve blood glucose control in people with diabetes.